How to check Roblox playtime. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we'll explore whether you can check your Roblox playtime or not. So typically, you can't find your playtime within Roblox itself directly. Whether you're on a computer or the mobile app, Roblox does not officially display this information. So to track your playtime, you will need to use external tools like Chrome extensions. So go to Chrome Web Store, and I recommend using the Pro, which is a browser extension for Chrome and other compatible browsers. Go ahead and search for Pro, enhance your Roblox experience in the Chrome Web Store. Find it and install it on your browser. Keep in mind that the Pro only tracks your playtime after you install it, so it won't show you the historical playtime data from before the installation. So if you install it after watching this video, it will begin tracking your playtime from that point forward. So unfortunately, there is no such way to retrieve your past playtime. So the goal of the video is to inform you that the external tools like Pro are necessary to track your Roblox playtime. So if this video answered your questions, please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.